Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Made Free. As I've recently started a series on mathematical concepts, today's video will focus on understanding the concept of area of a circle. In our schools, we all have read that area of the circle is equal to pi r square. But where does this pi r square come from? How is it derived? So let us go through this video and understand this concept. To understand the concept behind the area of a circle being pi r square, let us begin with drawing a perfect circle. Now filling up this circle. Now if I divide this circle into 8 equal parts, taking out each part and trying to make a rectangle out of it, if you see these 8 parts formed a rectangle, but this is not a perfect rectangle. So to make a perfect rectangle, maybe we'll have to make smaller equal parts out of the circle. Let us try doing that. Now making multiple small equal parts of the circle. Now let us use these smaller equal parts to form a rectangle. If you see on screen, the rectangle formed is as good as a perfect rectangle. Now, when we have made a near perfect rectangle out of these pieces of the circle, let us add some dimensions to this rectangle and understand the concept. If you remember, the way we split the circle, the height of each of these elements is equal to the radius of the circle. Also, the multiple elements that were split out of the circle have been used half on top and half at bottom to create this near perfect rectangle. So each of these halves would represent half of the circumference of the circle. Now the circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. So each of these halves at top and bottom would mean that the length of these parts is equal to pi r. We also know that the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth of the rectangle. In this case, as you can see on screen, the length of this rectangle is equal to pi r. And the breadth of this rectangle is equal to the radius of the circle. Now calculating the area of this rectangle, it comes to be 2 pi r into r, giving us a value of pi r square. Now you know how to calculate the area of a circle. So the area of a circle is equal to pi r square. Be it be any size of the circle, any radius, any diameter, the area of circle would always remain constant as pi r square. Hope you liked my today's video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, do like, share and subscribe, and do drop a comment if you want me to make a video on any of the other mathematical concepts. Thank you.